Today we will shoot 3 spray bottles. Here's the camera, and there we have the 3 bottles, and we will shoot them in a very simple way. We would do a old school high key background. So how do we do this? Well, we can start with turning on that light. Here is the camera shooting like this. Here we have the diffusion. It's Lee filters 216 filter. You can use any filter. I also use a lot of Savage, but you can also use Roscoe, anything really. So I rolled it down like this. Maybe I can do it like this. You see? And then we have the shadows from the bottles, the 3 bottles. So I just roll it down, and we will turn on that flash over there. It's kind of weird. This is squeezed all the way to that side, and the flash that side is like a bare image. You know what a bare composition image is? Before we turn on the remote that will talk to the flash, we can take a shot to make sure we have a black frame first, as always. So I will shoot, and here we have the black frame, but it's not that black. Well, if we turn off the modeling light, it's a bit darker. But I also have this video lights, and we have the light coming in from the windows, so we can make a black frame. It's, as always, shutter speed 1/200 of a second, f9, and then we have ISO 400. The reason why I want a bit higher ISO is because of the flash. I need to be on low power on this flash. I think it's like power 3, because the lower I go with the power, the faster the flash will be. Because today we will freeze motion, and then I need to be low power, so the water will be frozen, you know. So now I turn on the transmitter, receiver, wherever it's called, and I will hit the camera. Okay, what do we get? We get a shot, transparent, brown and green bottle, and they are hanging with the fishing line from this C-stand arm. When I took this image before, I did this, it was like a test shot, and I did it with my assistants, and then they attached the bottles, you know, so they're really not spinning around. But today, you know, I just want to show you how I took this shot. It's a bit rock and roll today, okay? But I will show you the concept, the idea behind this shot, okay? So next we need to add water, and my idea was to have these 3. I love the colors, and I love this silhouette thing going on with these black tops. And then I was thinking, maybe I can use something like this with water, and then I will find the right angle and squeeze, and they will have like a water battle. So I was focusing on getting this squeezing out water in the correct angle behind these 3 bottles. So my assistant directed me lower, higher, so it will be perfect. We can try. Probably it will be off, but we try anyway. And then I hit the button, and then I squeeze all over my clothes there. And let's see if we got anything. I think yeah. You see, exactly like this, but you see here, that should be down a few centimeters, and then it will be perfect. Now it was a bit hard. I should do it something like, and I can take another one. Missed that one. Yes, this is kind of okay, but and then in Photoshop we just cut out all this part, you know. We're only using this part. Let's squeeze for this one. Yes, you see here. Now I don't see. I'm a bit too high, but if I'm behind this bottle, if I lower my bottle with water, it will come out from this, and we will get a cool shot if I'm at the right angle, and then we can play around with this. And also what I did with the thumbnail, I will show you this image at the end. We also got, when we're trying out a lot with the water, getting the correct and nice angles and shapes of water coming out from bottles, they got very wet, of course. So I thought it was kind of a cool idea to let the water just dripping from the bottles. Okay, there we are. Thanks for watching, and if there's something you would like to ask, just leave a comment below the like button. And subscribe if you're not a subscriber, so you will be notified when there's a new video coming out, because you will hit the bell, you know. And what else? Well, soon there will be a new video. And as always, leave comments what kind of video you would like to see. I know I recently asked this, but keep them coming, you know. It's always good to have ideas, what you would like to see, if there's something about camera, flash, composition, food photography. I know. Maybe one day there will be food photography on this channel. Well, I have one about composition. You see that? Check that out if you haven't seen it. So, as always, I will see you next time.